Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to take a screenshot with three finger on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to take a screenshot on your Realme phone, so how to take a screenshot, and today friends we will talk about guys how to take three finger screenshot on Realme phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. So now how to take three finger screenshot. Friends, click on Realme phone tool setting, and friends you can see navigation, gesture, settings. Third option friends, click on screenshot, and friends you can see your three finger to take full screenshot. So guys, first of all guys, on your three fingers swipe down to take full screenshot setting, and friends come back. Friends, now you want to take a screenshot on your Realme phone device. Friends, use your three finger, swipe down with three finger. You can take friends your full screenshot on your Realme phone device. First of all guys, we will lock a screen and unlock your phone. And guys, now you can take a screenshot with three finger friends. And when click on screenshot, you want to crop this screenshot friends, you want to edit. So friends, click on edit option. Friends, you can edit your screenshot. Friends, you want to mark here. Example guys, this color guys I will mark here. You want to mark, so you can mark and right click. Friends, you want to add any arrow on the here, so you can add arrow also. You can delete. As you can see, we can set arrow on screenshot. Save here. Friends, you want to add any tags here, so I click here and enter tag. Example guys, I will add a screenshot setting and right click done. And friends, you can change this color also. From here guys, you can change color. Save. So friends, you want to save a screenshot. Friends, you can see screenshot will save after edit. So like that friends, you can edit screenshot, you can take your three finger screenshot. And friends, you want to delete the screenshot, so you can delete. You don't want to use, so then you can delete also. So I click on delete option, screenshot will delete. So like that friends, we can take three finger screenshot on Realme phone device. And friends, you don't want to use a three finger screenshot setting, so friends click on again tool setting. Friends, click on screenshot and off your three finger screenshot. Friends, you can see after off we cannot take a screenshot with three finger on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, I want to use, so I will on it. So bye friends.